Ever wondered what you'd do if your internet connection suddenly went kaput while working on a crucial project? Imagine the panic, the frustration, and the potential loss of data. It's a nightmare scenario for many of us who rely heavily on digital tools for our work. Today, we're diving into a question that might have crossed your mind. Does ClickUp, the popular project management tool, require a constant internet connection? Let's find out. Importance of cloud-based tools. Before we get into the specifics of ClickUp, let's talk about the trend of cloud-based software. These tools have become increasingly popular due to their accessibility, scalability, and real-time collaboration features. But with cloud-based tools, there's always the question of internet dependency. The benefits of offline access. While the convenience of cloud-based tools is undeniable, there are situations where offline access is crucial. Think about traveling, working in remote areas with unreliable internet, or even dealing with unexpected internet outages. Having the ability to work offline can be a lifesaver. Diving into ClickUp. ClickUp's core features. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that offers a wide range of features, including task management, time tracking, collaboration tools, and more. Its popularity stems from its flexibility and ability to cater to different workflows. The offline mode feature. Now, the million-dollar question. Does ClickUp offer offline functionality? Thankfully, the answer is yes. ClickUp has a built-in offline mode that allows you to access and work on your projects even without an internet connection. This feature is a game-changer for those who need to work on the go or in areas with limited connectivity. How offline mode works. Let's break down how ClickUp's offline mode functions. When you enable this feature, the app syncs your data with the cloud, ensuring that you have a local copy of your projects and tasks. This means you can create new tasks, edit existing ones, and even add comments while offline. Once you reconnect to the internet, your changes will automatically sync with the cloud, keeping your data up to date. Real-world scenarios. Traveling for work. Imagine you're on a business trip and your flight gets delayed or canceled. With ClickUp's offline mode, you can still stay productive and make progress on your projects. Remote work. For those who work remotely, internet connectivity can be a challenge at times. Offline mode ensures that you can continue working even if your internet connection is unstable. Emergency situations. In case of natural disasters or other emergencies that disrupt internet services, having the ability to work offline can be invaluable. Additional considerations. Data synchronization. While ClickUp's offline mode is a great feature, it's important to note that your data needs to sync with the cloud periodically to ensure accuracy and avoid data loss. Make sure to connect to the internet regularly to synchronize your changes. Limitations. Keep in mind that there might be certain features or functionalities that are limited in offline mode. For example, you might not be able to access real-time collaboration features or certain integrations while offline. However, ClickUp's offline mode still provides a robust set of tools for managing your projects. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, does ClickUp require internet? The answer is no, thanks to its built-in offline mode. This feature offers a great deal of flexibility and can be a lifesaver in situations where internet connectivity is limited or unavailable. If you're looking for a project management tool that can keep you productive both online and offline, ClickUp is definitely worth considering. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.